everyone. Welcome back to the English Talk Time, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ellie, your host in English podcast for learning English and improving your life. And as always, I'm joined by my fantastic co-host, Mike. How are you doing today?
Hey, Ellie. I'm doing great, feeling relaxed and ready for today's conversation. How about you?
I'm feeling good too, Mike. But before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share this podcast with your friends and family.
That's right. Today's episode is all about something I think everyone needs: positivity. You know, how to stay positive every day, even when life feels difficult.
Yes, I love this topic because a lot of people think being positive means being cheerful all the time, like it's a natural personality. You're either born that way or not. But that's not true at all.
Exactly. I've met so many positive people who have gone through hard times. They've had bad days, disappointments, and moments of doubt. But what makes them special isn't that they never feel sad. It's that they choose to return to hope again and again.
That's so true. You know, I used to think I wasn't a positive person either. When something went wrong, I would expect more problems. If someone was rude, I'd carry that feeling all day. But I realized later that positivity isn't something you're born with. It's a skill you can learn.
I love that. Positivity as a skill. Like learning English, it takes practice. You can learn it, strengthen it, and make it part of your life, one small step at a time.
Exactly. And that's what I want our listeners to remember today. You can learn to be positive gently, without pressure. It's about small choices.
Yeah, and I think one big misunderstanding is that positive people never feel sad. But even the happiest person has bad days. They just don't stay there.
Right. Being positive doesn't mean pretending everything's fine. It means believing that even if things aren't okay right now, they can get better. It's not about forcing joy. It's about keeping a small window open for light to come in.
That's beautiful, Ellie. I think that light often comes from inside us, from the small things we do, like speaking kindly to ourselves or showing up even when we don't feel strong.
Yes, small actions matter so much. You don't have to feel positive to practice positivity. You just need to do one small thing. Maybe notice something good in your day or send a kind message to a friend.
Or maybe just tell yourself, this moment is hard, but I'm still here. Those simple thoughts are powerful. They remind your brain that you're not stuck.
Exactly. And even on tough days, you can still ask yourself, what's one kind thought I can give myself today? It doesn't have to be big, just kind.
I like that. It's gentle and real. You don't need to change your whole life to feel better. Just one small habit or one sentence you repeat to yourself. That's all part of being positive.
Absolutely. You can be a positive person no matter who you are, quiet, shy, serious, or emotional. It's not about pretending. It's about choosing to return to hope again and again.
You said it perfectly, Ellie. You don't have to be cheerful to be a light. You don't have to be loud to be strong. And you don't have to be perfect to be growing.
I love that line. Now, let's talk about mornings, because I think the way you start your day can really shape your mindset.
Oh, yes. The first thought you have when you wake up really matters. If it's negative, your whole day feels heavier. But if it's gentle, it sets a peaceful tone.
True. You don't need long affirmations or lists. Sometimes one sentence is enough, like, I can handle today, or let's just take one small step.
That's great advice. You know, I used to wake up with anxiety every morning. Then one day, I put a sticky note by my bed that said, "Start soft." It helped me begin my day calmly.
That's such a simple but powerful idea. Even small words can change how you carry the whole day. So, listeners, maybe you can write a gentle sentence for yourself too. Something that gives you peace when you wake up.
Exactly. Your first thought doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to point you in a better direction.
I love that. And another part of positivity is protecting your energy. Sometimes being positive means saying no.
Yes, that's something I learned the hard way. I used to say yes to everything and everyone, even when I was tired. I didn't want to disappoint anyone, but in the end, I disappointed myself.
I can relate to that. Protecting your energy isn't selfish, it's self-care. Sometimes the most positive thing you can do is to take a break or step back from what drains you.
Exactly. You can love people from a distance. You can care for others and still take care of yourself.
That's such a healthy reminder. Your energy is precious, like a small garden. You need to protect it so you can grow the things that truly matter.
Well said, Ellie. And gratitude helps with that too. Gratitude has saved me more times than motivation ever could.
Oh, I agree. Motivation comes and goes, but gratitude stays. It's like a small candle, steady and quiet.
Yes, and it doesn't mean forcing joy. It just means noticing one small good thing. The smell of your coffee, a kind word, a soft breeze.
Exactly. Gratitude is like pressing pause. It reminds you that even if things are messy, there's still something good.
And the more you notice small good things, the more your mind starts looking for them. Gratitude changes your focus from what's missing to what's already here.
That's so true, Mike. It's a quiet kind of strength that grows inside you, and it changes not just your mood, but your whole presence.
Absolutely. You start to show up differently, more patient, more open, more kind. You become someone who reminds others of the good.
I love that. And here's another thing. You don't have to feel good to do something good. Even on low days, one small positive action can change your energy.
Right. You don't need to feel full of energy to do something meaningful. Sometimes just taking one small step, like sending a kind message or cleaning your desk, can shift your whole mood.
Exactly. We don't have to wait to feel positive before doing positive things. Sometimes doing comes first, and the feeling follows.
Yes, one small act, even when you don't feel your best, can remind you that you still have power and choice.
That's the heart of positivity, not pretending, but choosing. Choosing hope, kindness, and small actions that bring light back into your day.
Beautifully said, Ellie. I think our listeners will really feel encouraged by this.
I hope so too. And to everyone listening, remember, you don't have to fix everything today. Just take one calm breath, one soft step, one kind thought. That's enough.
Yes, you're already doing better than you think. Keep practicing English, keep growing, and keep being gentle with yourself.
Thank you so much for listening to English Talk Time today. We hope this episode helped you feel a little lighter and more positive.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with your friends and family.
Until next time, take care, stay kind, and stay positive.
See you in the next episode.